7 easy and spooky Halloween snack ideas. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Boobies World Cuisine. Now, my first idea is making some Oreo bats. For that, you need some Oreo cookies, obviously, some googly eyes, and some sort of glue to stick them. I'm using some melted chocolate here. First, you want to take apart one Oreo cookie, and the part that doesn't have any cream on it, you break it into two, and then you stick them in as bat wings. Now you need another piece, and for sticking it to the other part, you want to put in some sort of glue. Here I'm using some melted chocolate. Just put a little bit, and that will do the job. Okay, now I'm gonna stick it to the other part, and once I do that, my Halloween bat will be almost ready. Okay, now you want to put some googly eyes to make it look much more spooky and nicer. And once that's done, it's really cute. Now, this is a fun one to make, and it takes so much less time and effort to make them, but it looks super cute. Halloween or not, you can include your kids in the process, and I'm sure they will have lots of fun if they like having some fun making things in the kitchen. Okay, for my next one, I'm gonna use some donuts. Now, these are just store-bought donuts, and I'm gonna turn them into monster donuts. For that, again, I'm gonna use some googly eyes and these teeth candies. Now, these teeth candies are spooky enough, so I'm gonna stick them on the donut to make them monsters. I have applied some water to the bottom of these so that they stick to the donut. But a good idea would be to put some chocolate, but chocolate slides from the donut. So I find this way is much more easier. Once they're in, now you want to put some ice. So I have applied some melted chocolate there, and I'm putting some big sized googly eyes. Now, how does it look? I think it looks really fun and makes such a good snack. Kids love donuts anyways, but you are turning them into little monster donuts, so why won't they take it? And all you gotta do is just buy some donuts from the store, and the rest of the things are from the store as well. So you don't have to make or bake anything at all. Next, I'm gonna go for my witch's broomsticks, which is a healthy Halloween snack. So for that, I'm taking some stick cheese, some stick pretzels, and I'll be needing some chives to give it some final touch. Now, each cheese stick will give you 3 brooms. All you want to do is take them out from the packet, and now you gotta slice them into 3 pieces. If you can make them similar sizes, it will look much better. Now, using a knife, from halfway of the cheese to the bottom, you want to make some cuts, and you want to make sure you have cut all the way around. Once that's done, you want to take a piece of pretzel, break it into half, and then just gently put it inside. Now, this is the stick for the broom, and it looks very nice when you use a piece of pretzel for the job. Next, some final touches. For that, I'm going to use some chives. If you don't have chives to hand, you can skip this part, but using this bit, using this final touch, makes it look really, really cute. All you want to do is tie them, but be gentle because chives have a tendency to break and you don't want that. Okay, now my witch's broomsticks are all ready, and this one is one of my favorite. It's a healthy snack and it looks so nice on a Halloween table. For the next one, again, I'm using everything store-bought. So here are some cookies. You can go with your own choice. Just make sure your cookies are round. So these are some chocolate chip cookies. Again, I'm going to use some googly eyes. And the main ingredient here is marshmallow. I have melted my marshmallow in the microwave for 15 seconds, and now they are all ready to use. You have to do this very quickly because otherwise marshmallow will go all hard. Just put your cookie inside the marshmallow bowl, and then using your clean hand, just spread it. Now, this one is a bit sticky job, but it comes together really quickly and they are super cute and spooky. So once you are satisfied with the marshmallow spread, just put some googly eyes on top and then they become a cookie monster. The marshmallow on the top gives it a spider web effect, but when you put googly eyes, it's like a monster, spider web, something like that. For my next one, again, I'm going to use some store-bought things. You can use your own homemade waffles as well. I have some chocolate waffles here, and all I'm going to do is put some ice on that to make them monster waffles. So I bought these from the store. These are jelly eyes, which are really popular during Halloween time, and you can usually find them only during Halloween. So take them off. You need two pieces for each waffle, of course, and then use some sort of food glue to apply them. Now, I had some donut glaze, which I'm using here to stick the eyes, but you can go for melted chocolate or anything you find is suitable. For the second one, I'm using a different type of ice. So all you got to do is find some edible ice and then stick it to your waffles and they are good to go. Now my next one is so simple that you don't literally have to do anything at all. All you got to do is peel some oranges. Now oranges are the perfect replica for pumpkins, which is Halloween icon, and a small size orange can give you that pumpkin look and make a really nice centerpiece for your food table. So peel oranges and then stuck something on the top. Now, usually people use bell pepper heads, but I don't have any handy. So what I did was I just picked some chilies from my garden and then used the stems. And this is very simple, but when you put it on a Halloween platter, they look super gorgeous and healthy as well. Okay, for my last one, I'm using some cheese. I have some cheddar slices here. I have some Halloween ghost cookie cutters here. You can use the pumpkin shaped cookie cutters, and if you do that, you might wanna use orange cheese. For some final touch, I'm using some chili sauce. You don't have to use chili sauce. You can go with ketchup, but putting some ice just makes them look even extra spooky. So these were my 7 Halloween snack ideas. They are perfect for Halloween parties, and some of them are even good for giving your children something healthy to eat, but in a fun way. If you're up for more recipes like this, just keep an eye on my channel. Thank you everyone for watching, and bye for now.